Bi-carb, also known as baking soda in the kitchen. A hint for the burnt pot. Soak the pan in dishwashing liquid, bi-carb and hot water for 10 minutes before washing. For severely burnt pots and pans, scrub pot with dry bi-carb and a moist scouring pad. Another hint, if you place the pot back on stove with the dishwashing liquid and bi-carb and warm. Makes cleaning a lot easier. Get rid of smells. To get rid of garlic, onion or fishy smells from your hands, wet and then sprinkle on bi-carb. Rub hands together well. Rinse and dry. Oven cleaner. This isn't toxic, use bi-carb paste and scrub oven with a clean cloth. Rinse well. When cleaning electric ovens, be careful not to get any on the element, as this may cause it to corrode. Wooden chopping boards. To remove food odors on wooden chopping boards, rub bi-carb paste onto the board and leave for a few minutes. Rinse well. This is a great co-vid tip. Fruit and vegetable scrub. For a safe way to effectively clean dirt and residue off fresh fruit and vegetables, sprinkle a little bi-carb in a tub of water. Add fruit and vegetables, soak, scrub and then dry with a cloth. Self-raising flour. To make 1 cup of self-raising flour, combine 1 cup plain flour, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar and 1/2 teaspoon of bi-carb.